To check a token's contract address using DexScreener, start by opening the DexScreener website in your browser. Once you're on the home page, go to the search bar and type the name or the symbol of the token you're looking for, like Pepe. You'll see a list of available trading pairs such as Pepe paired with WETH or USDC. Make sure you select the pair that sits on the blockchain you're actually interested in, whether that's Ethereum, Solana, or any other chain, when you click. On the trading pair, you'll be taken straight to its detailed chart page. At the top of this page, you'll see the token's name and symbol, right next to it, the contract address. It's usually displayed as a long string of letters and numbers, and most of the time it's clickable. If you click it, DexScreener will open the token on a block explorer like Etherscan or Solscan so you can see all the on-chain details. Here's a quick tip. If you're exploring new or trending tokens, check out the new pairs or recently added sections on DexScreener. Apply filters for volume or buyer activity to narrow things down. Always verify the contract address on a block explorer before interacting with the token to stay safe. If this tutorial is helping you, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more easy crypto guides, and let me know in the comments what you want to learn next.